Hello everyone. So today we are solving this lab of TryHackMe named Dav. So actually I have already completed this lab, but I'm doing this again. So I have even started the machine, and in this lab we have to find the two files user.txt and root.txt. So let's just jump into this. So for this is So firstly, we're gonna do an map scan. So we're gonna type nmap, and firstly we copy the IP, and so we can paste it and map and the IP, and of course you can use different type of commands, but for now I'm just using this. So maybe it took some time, so we'll just leave it for now. And the second thing we do, just go to Firefox and paste the IP to check if anything is running. So we're just mean the HTTP port 80 is working. So, and it has some information in it, you can even read it. So it has a lot of information. So now that we know that the port 80 is open, so we can use GoBuster to find directories. We're gonna use GoBuster for this. Just this. And yep, the nmap scan is here. We have done the nmap scan, and it's showing which ports are open and the versions and the GoBuster. The menu, and we're gonna give the IP. Yeah, and FNW and the word list. And oh, okay, not there, but it's just there. Okay, so the scan is very just completed. Okay, okay, so it's done. Okay, so now we're using the index one just to check. Okay, I'm gonna go to Firefox and just yeah, and just the same. So we're gonna see the different directory. Just loading. Yep, it's same. Now the WebDAV, and it needs password, which is I know what's the password is, but you can even Google it, but you don't need to if you're watching this. So here's the password. So now we're going to upload the PHP shell and execute it to get a reverse shell. And we're going to use Carever for this to upload the file. Before you upload the PHP shell, make sure to open the file and update it with your own IP address and the chosen port. And the password is going to be the same, like wham and zam. And then we're just gonna do our thing, just gonna put the shell. Okay, first, like, you have to download the shell. I have already have the shell, so you can just simply go to any site you like, but I have downloaded this from Pentest Monkey, so you can download this from there too. And we're just gonna simply put the shell like this. Okay, showing like it's a directory, so we're gonna do that again. Okay, so it's completed, succeeded. Okay, we'll just back and just reload it, and boom, the file is here. And so we're not gonna click the file. Okay, we're gonna start the netguard. You have to just go to the browser and just click to the file, and boom, it's just okay. We got the shell. So we're just gonna, after getting the connection, we run a Python command to spawn an interactive TTY shell. Here's the flag, the first flag, and the second flag, of course, is going to be under the root directory. So just paste on, so here. And now we're gonna find scope cd root. Okay, so permission denied. We have to try something else. Let's just try to get the file root.txt. Okay, so again the permission is denied, so we have to just check. Let's just check it out. Okay, so like we can use sudo to get the file, right? Yeah, like we just find the flag. Okay, so this is for today, and I hope you like this video. Subscribe the channel and see you next time.